What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I do a lot of fun content. I do styling videos, videos for dancers with advice and showing how to style some options. I do hair videos, DIYs, and I am now doing some more sneaker content. So if you want to see those videos and some more goodies, stick around and let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two recent sneakers that I just picked up. One of them did not come out yet, so I decided to add some styling options in this video so that way if you do pick it up, you guys can have some inspiration on how you would wear these sneakers. Before we get into this video, I do have 7 recent sneakers that I did get. I'm only featuring 2 right now. So if you want to see the other sneakers that I did get, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do another video for you guys with all of the recent sneakers that I just got. So here we go. Let's get into the video. All right, here's what you've been waiting for. The Jordan 11 and the Jordan 4. So let's get started with the Jordan 11 first. We're gonna look at it together for the first time. Oh wait, this is not even the right box. These, I'm excited because I got this as a shock drop on the sneakers app. I was just minding my business on my phone and then like, ooh, it's released, and I was just like, released? What? First of all, it's November 6th and these come out on the 11th, so I'm excited. I haven't opened up the box even when I first got it, so I know I'm delayed, but it's all right because now y'all seeing it for the first time with me. So let's get into this sneaker. This is a baby. This is my baby. It's so beautiful. I'm excited. Let me take it out the box, baby. This, love it. It looks amazing. It has suede all around through the back. Silver Jumpman. I'm not a sneakerhead, just to let y'all know, so I'm not even gonna give y'all like the full detailed spec. I like to style them and I like to look good, so that's what you're gonna get from me. Okay. But suede all around. The laces are blue. I like how it just has this little hint of white on the bottom of the sole and this light type of gum at the bottom. I definitely love that. I'm glad it's not like a full all, what is this, midnight navy sneaker. This is what the shoe looks like. That fresh new smell. I'm gonna put my sizes in the description box so that way you guys know. And yeah, this is the first pair of sneakers that I got. I'm happy about it. This is my first time ever seeing the shock drop, and this is my first time ever experiencing getting a sneaker from the shock drop. So I'm excited about that, and let's move on to the next sneaker. Here's the next one, the Jordan 4. I'm excited. This is my third Jordan 4, my fourth Jordan 4. As you see, these are here. This is my 4th one to add to the collection. I have a few more that I know I need to get. This is it. Nice and clean, baby. Look at it. So perfect. I don't know what happened, but I just became like low-key obsessed with sneakers and I love it. So this is another midnight navy sneaker, but the Jordan 4, like I said before, all white everywhere except for here. The soles, we have that midnight navy. Right here we have the gray with the midnight navy in between with the little specks of, what is it, paint. We have the midnight navy Jordan here and here, and boom. And like I said, I'm not a sneakerhead, so I'm not going into it. I just wanted to show y'all what I got, and boom. Like, my channel is going to be more about styling it for the most part. But I do have some old videos of me doing sneaker pickups, and those I kind of go a little bit more into detail with, so y'all can watch those as well. But I'm excited for these. The only thing with the 4s, I feel like sometimes they make my feet look a little big because I have small ankles. So sometimes I gotta watch with like what I wear it with. I don't know about really wearing them with leggings. So yeah, we gonna see. So Now, I have 3 pairs of sneakers that I call the Midnight Navies. Now, this is not a recent sneaker pickup, but I never showed these before, and I've only worn them twice, so I'm going to show y'all just because it's another Midnight Navy sneaker. So, let me get into that. We're done with these, and let's move on real quick. I had to get these from up top. So, these are another Midnight Navy sneakers. These came out November of what? I don't know, maybe 2019 or 2020. I think 2020. And I got these. These have like a little bit of, I feel like it's a suede, somewhat of a suede. I changed the shoelaces to this tan beige color. This also has like the silver detail. I feel like all the Midnight Navies that I've seen have like the silver or grayish detail, and these are it. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you've seen, if you want to see more videos like this, more sneaker content, definitely let me know down below your thoughts, your opinions, and even if you have any type of ideas of different sneaker videos or any video that you would love for me to create to help you, let me know. I would love to see it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like this video. It'll definitely help me in the algorithm. And I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I have about 600 and something. I know I've been going for a minute, but I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club can't say but whoa. All right, anyway, I am back, and I really want to push getting to 1,000 subscribers. 1, so I can monetize, and 2, I know you guys are definitely watching and you're entertained, and I want to start to produce more content and try to stick with it because I actually enjoy helping and inspiring others in different ways. So let's do it. Let's keep pushing this video out and let's grow. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later.
Donovan.